So that would be Kitty. Oh my gosh. There's Kitty. I didn't realize there was another black cat in that bathroom. There's two black cats actually in that bathroom. I didn't see the other black cat. Here we go. Here's Yoshi. Throwing something off the counter. Look at that. That's cute. I like that. That's cute. Oh my gosh, that's Yoshi. The coffee. Don't do that. That cat's gonna die. It can suffocate in there. Oh my gosh, don't do that. Oh my god, how many cats do they have? Oh, here's Kitty. Here's Kitty with the toilet paper. Is it only just black cats that do that? That looks like Kitty with the white. Don't do that with that. Just get that cat out and shut the bathroom. And I hope it's not expensive toilet paper. Oh my gosh. What's this one? Oops, there's Yoshi again. Why do they like doing that?